3,000, you keep it, you upshift. I know you guys have asked me so many times how you get the pops? Bro, the pops. Bro, my car doesn't do it. And this is the way I do it. And this is the way you probably should do it to get it. What's up? What's going on, guys? I'm gonna make a quick video. You guys have been asking for this and asking me how I do it. Some of you guys can't do this. How does my car do it but yours can't, and this and that. So I'm going to show you guys how to, guess what, make your car pop. Damn, what is that on the road? It's like all glass and shit. Anyways, okay, we're gonna get right into it, guys. I'm gonna show you how to make your car pop. So what do I have as an exhaust? I have a muffler delete with a vibrant resonator, and I'm currently running the Gemini white pipe. That is all I have. So I know most of you guys have bought the vibrant resonator, and even with the muffler delete by itself, or if you have the vibrant resonator, I know most of you guys have gotten the resonator with the muffler delete. When you have that setup as well, you can backfire, you can do the pops, and you can get bangs as well. I'm gonna show you guys how to do that, and let's just jump right in. Let's go. So the first thing I do, let me try to go to another road. I'm gonna show you how to do the pops on downshift. So this is where we're gonna go up to speed. All right, look at the RPMs. Start downshifting around 2,000 RPMs. You guys can hear it? So you guys can hear the exhaust and the pops. My window's open, but with the amount of noise that comes from the wind, I'm gonna try to do my best, guys. I'm gonna just see if it happens. If it's too much wind, I'm sorry, but what you want to do is you go to, pretty much, you drive normal, and you put it in drive sport. So you drive normal, put it in drive sport. And then you honestly, if you have the paddle shifters, you can use the paddle shifters. You downshift with the paddle shifters, or you can just use your gear thingy to downshift. So what you want to do is, once you're at 2,000 RPMs, you want to downshift, and it'll pretty much raise it like another 500 RPMs to 1,000, and you can just downshift, and it will happen. Another thing that you can do is downshift, and then literally just like 1%, just tap the throttle, and it'll backfire. Let me show you. Now that you guys try to do it around 2,000, just play with it anywhere from 1,500 RPMs to 2,500 RPM. Just play with it, and I don't know, it's like a big air ball of exhaust fumes. I don't know, it just like pops, and it just comes out and like pops. It's like a balloon popping. Another thing is, when you're driving, right, you accelerate, you hold RPM a little bit, let off the gas, shift up, and accelerate again, just a little bit, not like a lot, just like a little bit. Just tap the accelerator and you guys will hear a pop. Let me show you. So you bring it up, let's say 3,000, you keep it, you upshift. You guys heard that? Let's do it again. And let's downshift. So let's do it one more time. We go. I'm just doing it slow, but you can do it in all the way up to 5th gear. But we're in 1st gear. You keep it there. Let off the gas. Shift and just tap the accelerator. You can go faster too. Oh, that one didn't work. See? I just did it and it was in 3rd. That's all you gotta do, guys. To be honest. But beware, your transmission will heat up doing this, or at least mine. Mine heats up even if you freaking turn it off and it still be heating up. So do this at your own risk. I don't do it. Well, I do it a lot, but don't do it too much because you could damage your transmission. I'm just trying to show you because you guys be asking me. Guys, bring it up, let off, accelerate a little bit, bang, you got your, and then once you go, downshift. There you go. It's like you're simulating a manual transmission. That's why I say try not to do it too much. This is just me because I wanted to get the pops. But try not to do it too much, guys, because I don't want you to damage the CVT. That's literally all you have to do. I have so many people ask me, and that's what you have to do. My car is not tuned, at least not yet. So all these pops are natural with my exhaust setup. It might not be as loud because I do have a white pipe, but you'll still be able to hear the pops. If you guys want the resonator, I do have a link to it in the description. So it honestly makes your car sound a lot deeper and more aggressive without giving you that high pitch raspiness or that dreaded drone. Although I have drone, but that's because I have a white pipe as well. Ooh, someone got in trouble. We can't go, we're too low. We can't go to the, someone got in trouble. But yeah, guys, that's it. I will catch you guys on the next video. Remember, subscribe. Once we reach 2,000 subscribers, we will be doing a giveaway for the rear diffuser, a front lip. That's it, guys. That's all I got for today. Just a quick video. Thank you guys for watching, for supporting the channel. Keep doing what you do. There's a lot more coming. I will catch you guys later. Remember, like, comment, subscribe, and I will catch you guys later. Peace.